gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bang. Them a go down, bang. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. His, we now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are pledge of allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we
We gonna run this town.
The rain or shine, we're outside. Don't feel a joke. Rain or shine, we're outside. We're out for people and that, no?
Outside, we're there now.
Outside, rain or shine for people.
Yeah. We are taking to them and careful as round now. Not see it. Drop it hot. One eye sat. One eye sat. Drop it hot, Rona. Here.
One, don't feel a joke.
St. Mary in all my years. The roads are bad. The roads are vicious. Taxi man a ball. The residents are crying. But all of a sudden, Norman Donna tell the people that they need to be patient. That him a go come fix the road now. But why are they now coming to fix road after 5 years in power? We cannot bother with this sort of scammer politics. So comrades, I say to you this evening that we are on the road to victory. We are on the road to progress. We are on the road to development. We have to have a strategy to modernize the infrastructure of Southeast St. Mary. If you want jobs, you have to fix the road. If you want employment, you have to fix the road. If you want to create more progress, you have to put in place better water. You have to put in place better internet connection. You have many parts in Southeast that you traverse and you cannot communicate on the phone. Businesses will only come and invest in Southeast when you have good road, when you have good telecommunications, when you have good water supply, and when you have an infrastructure with a modern transport center, with a modern market, with an urban center that can bring the infrastructural platform that can lead to jobs, growth, and investment. So comrades, my strategy as your next member of parliament is to ensure that we fix our infrastructure. Because if we don't fix that, then we will remain at the back of the line. But comrades, I want you to welcome the next Prime Minister of Jamaica. I want you to welcome the man who is going to lead us into that development, into that progress, into that mission that will create not only a new Southeast St. Mary, but will create a new Jamaica. I want you to rise. I want you to stand up. I want you to welcome the next Prime Minister, my leader, my president, Comrade Mark Jefferson Golden.
Easy, easy. Pull up, pull up, pull. Comrade Chairman, comrades on the platform, comrade workers, warriors, supporters on a rainy night here in Anatomy. First of all, I want to say enough respect to each and everyone who is still standing in the rain. We don't take them things for granted. And I'm not going to talk for long. Comrades, we want this constituency of Southeast St. Mary back in the column of the People's National Party. I want to say to Comrade Lorraine Ferguson, respect you. I'm glad that things have worked out in a way that we are one family, same way. And I love to see the progress being made by the man who has been chosen to represent you when the time comes in the next election. A young Jamaican in whom we are all pleased and well proud because he's a brilliant man and he has the heart for the people and he will represent you well. So comrades, we don't want one, we don't want two, we want all three in St. Mary because we want to see development come to the parish. And we need Southeast to be uplifted. It can't be at the back of the line. We want the parish as a whole to move forward. It has so much potential in tourism, in agriculture, and in other industries that can come here if the infrastructure of which you spoke, Chris Brown, if that is brought to the parish and to the constituency. So I say to each and every one of you, deliver Chris Brown to Garden House so that he can be with me in Garden House when we form government. Thank the Lord. And when I see our platform here tonight and the quality who is on the platform and who is here and the unity in the party, I know we are one great unstoppable force and we will be moving forward resolutely and with passion to deliver a better Jamaica for all of our people. The people of Jamaica are tired of our government that has failed them to make the economy move forward into positive growth on a sustained and rapid basis. Fail them to bring governance in which the people can have trust and confidence. Fail them to provide an education system and a health system which treats the people of Jamaica with respect and allows us to reach our true potential of greatness. The next People's National Party government is going to be a people-centered party and a people-centered government. We are going to look at the critical areas which are holding our country back, and we're going to tackle them with fervor and with passion because we want to solve these problems and allow Jamaica to move forward into a better place, a place where our children and grandchildren can stay here and make life for themselves and don't have to run, go a foreign and join the brain drain. This is what we're about. This is what we have always been about. This is the Manley's party, Michael Manley's party, PJ Patterson and Portia and Dr. Peter Phillips and now Iman, and it's one thread of philosophy about empowerment and upliftment because we always say, what do we say? Power to the people, power to the people, power to the people. Comrades, one love, the word is love. And I just want to conclude the proceedings by formally introducing to you a man in whom I am well pleased, a man who it is an honor for me to present you as your candidate in the next general election for this great constituency of Southeast St. Mary. Your candidate, Comrade Christopher Brown.
Hear this? This don't stop there.
Forward together, comrades. Forward victory. Put in the work and bring him home. I'm depending on you, and you can depend on I and I. One love.
This don't stop there. All months and years of
Comrades, you heard it from the party leader. as he presented, you heard it from the party leader as he presented your candidate, your next MP, Comrade Christopher Brown. But the rains are here, so we have to make sure, so we cut everything short. Jamaica rise as we close this afternoon.